Open list template file. Add action and edit classes to edit button. Copy the class attribute and paste to the delete action. Change edit to delete. Open module.list file. Under media command, create the icons. Specify class todo-action and then action class and add some CSS under it. Now specify edit and delete classes with same action class. Now we need the icons for both actions here. So before proceeding further, we need to look for icon mixins library in Magento default source. This can be found under lib web css source and then under lib directory. Then open _icons.list file. So we will be using lib-icon-font mixin from here. The lib-icon-font mixin is used to create icons using font icons. It has one mandatory parameter, add _icon-font-content. This parameter accepts a font icon code. We will customize parameters font size, line height, and text height. We can see the icon variables by going into variables and opening _icons.list. First, we are going to mark our needed icons from this list. We will choose icon-trash and icon-settings from list. And finally, we choose icon-search as view task icon. Now go back to module.list file and begin adding lib-icon-font mixin. First, we need to specify icon font content. So we will provide icon-settings variable as font icon. Next, we will customize icon font size. Specify its value 18 pixels. Same for line height. And hide the text by setting icon-font-text-height property to true. And then specify icon font color. In its value, use variable color-gray 19, which is grayish color. Use same color for hover style. And same for active or focus. Since delete item has a different icon, so we need to use a mixin which should not repeat same steps. Therefore, we will go with the lib-icon-font-symbol mixin and specify the custom font content. Specify lib-icon-font-symbol mixin. Specify icon-trash variable as a value. Next, we will create icon for view this task action link. Copy lib-icon-font mixin style from edit action and paste inside view this task style property. Change icon-settings to icon-search. We keep the text visible and then change the color styles as well. Now it's the time to see our changes. Reload the page. The icons look good, and now there's more room for to-do items, which looks better than before. Now if we view task, we see the icons applied to its actions as well. Next, we need to fix the task layout. So go ahead and create _task.list file. Specify common media style. Begin creating task list styles. The display type should be flex. The pending list and completed list content should be displayed in a row. Wrap the content. Keep the space between items. Now open task.html template file And let's fix the completed task wrapper div element by moving out of the to-do div element. Cut the whole condition and paste outside of the task to-do div. Now we will be able to display both pending and completed content in a single row. Open task.less file. Now add left and right padding to pending and completed tasks. Add some styles to unordered list. Then apply styling to label element. Set the width of label to 260 pixels and it should be inline block. Then specify a border with the gray color. Apply 9 pixels padding to every side of the label. Specify 8 pixels border radius. And cursor should be pointer. Align input element to the top. Let's make the completed task item highlighted. In order to achieve that, we should set the label background color to tea greenish. And then specify edit text height. Set the task action buttons in line. Now let's create variables for particular style property values. Go ahead and create underscore task.less file under variables directory. First of all, create variable for label border property. Let's stick to the standard of defining variables we have set. Specify the border style. Now replace the style with variable. Next, create variable for padding. Let's take a look for a variable with 10 pixels value under typography. So we will use indent small variable. Subtract variable from 1. This will return 9 pixels as per our need. Now replace the padding with the variable. Create variable for border radius and specify its value 8 pixels. Replace the value with the variable. Next, we will create variable for completed task labels background color property. Replace the background color value with the variable. Make sure there's a space between 1 pixels and minus sign, otherwise rendering may fail. Now time to import the files. Begin import inside module.less file. First import task variable. Then import underscore task.less. Now let's check the changes made so far. Now if we view the task, we see the pending and completed content is aligned and the layout looks better. However, the completed list pushes to the right hand. So let's go ahead and fix that. Modify the justify content property for task list class and change it to flex-start. Now let's take a look at changes. View task from any of the to-do item. Now the task listing looks better than before. Now we are good to proceed with the CRUD operations in next video. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing the channel.